Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and disable GoGuardian on your mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will now start our video. For the matter, first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Chrome browser on your mobile phone, go to search bar and simply type in GoGuardian.com and simply access it. Go ahead, tap on this first search option that we will get afterward. After that, here in this section, what you have to do is first of all you have to tap on this three horizontal on top left right corner of the sign and type on this sign in option, and here you're gonna simply go ahead, get yourself signed in here in this section. And once you have done so, then you will find this option called filtering, right? Go ahead, tap on this filtering option, and then you will find this another option called configuration. Here in this section you're gonna find this all the filterings that you have been using for your GoGuardian purpose, including the policies from your OUS, where you're simply going to remove all of the filterings both for your at school and at home purposes. Then after you have done that, confirmed it, then you will be able to simply disable your GoGuardian for yourself. And that is, but you will still be able to keep it for a teacher. So that is the process for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.